Good afternoon, I'm Bhaskar from Ice Team Robo. Today we're gonna see about the syllabus and how it works, about the Lego WEDO kit and its models. So here we have the list of activities. You can take a snap of it if you want. Introduction to WEDO, science rover. These are the activity sheets which we recreated all by our own, which is not available by the Lego company. We recreated it for sample. I'm gonna show you one. So this is the activity sheet which we designed for introduction of video. So what is WeDo? WeDo is a kit which Lego introduced with help with parts as well as with a CPU and a motor and two sensors with all together they created this video. This is the sensor, this is the block which we use to connect it to the laptop, to the robot, and this is the motor which they're using here, and they have sensors too which can sense objects, which can sense angle. There's two sensors here. That is what we are given in the first sheet. This is the CPU, this is the gyro sensor, this is motor, this is ultrasonic sensor. We have four main components in this kit, which is pretty costlier, and the remaining parts, the small parts which we used to connect, which we used to create it. This is the video interface. This is the video interface which we use here. So if you click this plus, a new fresh page will open like this. If you click it, it opens empty. So we have four options here. Home, it goes back to the home, and then this is the book which we have the instructions and the manuals for this glowing snail, cooling fan, moving satellite. This first four models are very basic models, which doesn't move. It stands in a single place. These four models. The next four models is the basic robot, which moves, which senses, which stills angles, and if we have two kits, you can collaborate it also. So next to that we have topic based models, science based models, not only just a model. So if it's a pulling, yeah, if you go inside, we will be having what is pulley, what we can explore, and what are the forces included in this model. And pulley actually, so we have a demo video for this, which explains you about the objective of this. So like this, they're trying to pull something like this, heavy objects like this model they're gonna make. So this is the thing objective for this, how we can make a moving object, can explain friction, how which force is greater to pull more weights, like that. And once the model is finished, they have showed a demo also of the model. So if you play the model, it goes. So after this you can add wheels to this in the cart and you can try to pull it. And they also even given you a program. They have given you the instructions in this, step by step instructions for you to do the model. If you finish this, click here, then it asks you to connect it. Then connecting it is a simple thing. uh, just I'll tell you. So here we have this Bluetooth icon. So once pressing this, yeah, this is asking you to press the button of this, the CPU. Press this and refresh it. It will show the name here. Click it, connect it. Simple as it. So coming back to it, the program, recreate the program like this here. There is no need that you have to do the same program which is given here. You can also recreate only of these three, or you can add sound to this here. This is the place where we use the workspace to do the program here. If we pull it, you can add it here side by side like this. You can go like that. If you don't want, just pull it, drag it down, drop it down, it disappears.
In middle, if you don't want anything, you
Yeah, if in middle, if you don't want anything, example, I have done a program here like this. I done a program like this, and if I don't want something in the middle, what happens is, if you try to remove the middle, everything which attached to right to it also gets removed. So remove that alone, and remove this alone and place it again here. There's no other way. But if you want to insert it, you can insert it in the middle or anywhere you want. It
What is
moves.
this 1 to 3?
Where?
What is this 1 to 3?
Yeah, 1 to 3 is a variable, like assuming a variable to it. So you can also give this one. Yeah, yeah. See, I'll show the program. So you have 3, 2, 1, like a countdown. It shows in the screen. 3, 2,
2.
1. Then it goes for the motor.
Okay.
Like that. So they gave 3, 2, 1. Then the motor should run, like that. Then if you do the program, just click play here. If you want to stop it, you can just stop it here.
What is this 1 to 3 plus? Then you have to give
I
the
haven't
numbers
kept on.
100.
So you have starting, we have here speed. The speed, we can measure it till 9. Maximum speed is 9, minimum is 0, 1. And then next is wait. Wait in the sense how many seconds it has to wait, or how many seconds the motor has to run. Then the motor stop button. If you if you given the sensor, and if it finds out if you want to stop the motor, you can use this. Then you can use this for clockwise, anti-clockwise, forward and backward. I've given backward. Now if you click it, it goes to forward again. Then the time. So this is the order which we have to follow to play a motored program. First speed, then direction, then time. This is how you have to give. But if you have interchange and give something, it messes up. Then you can give light. There is a light in here. There will be a light. I'll show you here. Next to that, there is an LED which glows here. That LED, you can change the color of it. You can select whatever color you want. There's yeah, like this. Usually it glows in blue color. If you want, you can change it to whatever color you want. Next is sound. There is 30 different sound files. If you wanna hear it, you can just play it, and you can select it like that. Then if you want to add, if you have accidentally removed this play button somewhere, don't panic. You have another play. You can insert the play button here from here. So next is wait. This is the wait, which it actually use for a wait. After program run, it should wait for a second or two. For more than that, you can use this. For example, if you're giving a motor to run forward for 5 seconds, then it has to wait for 2 seconds. Then we can use this. Also, we can use this, but this cases this in this motor block we can use only for motor. But this wait we can use it for sensor, for colors, for sound, everything. Common wait. This is this is the loop. It's called as loop. You can insert it unlimited. The program can run unlimited number of time. If you want to make it count 5 times only, it should run. So you can pull any number around here from wherever you want. You can pull a number, and you can attach it here, and you can give how many times you want here. So then comes the sensor. Ultrasonics. This is gyro sensor, the tilt sensor which we use in mobiles. It senses the direction of just changing direction. This is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor detects the objects here. This is mic. So when I speak louder, you can see this reader goes up. It actually senses sound. So if I speak loud, it comes up. So we can use this mode also for this is the basic thing which we need to know about this. Then if you don't want this, you can just click this book again. You can find many models, many topics science-based topics, pulling, speed, robust structures, like that. We'll see one by one later in the in upcoming video. Here we have model library. We can if you this library which we have default library has only like limited projects with instructions. These all things we have instructions, but you want to do something without instruction and you just need an idea of it. We have it here. So this example, this model, we don't have an instruction, just an image. If you are very good at doing models, you start doing it for this. Some models they might have given 3D view, three different views, or three different ways of doing tips for it, like this. So for some models they might be given tips for it, some models they won't be given tips for it. These are all the additional models, not the predefined one. Additional models which we can use, which you can do if you want in the spare time. This in this some of the model we have in the model library also. Recycling track we already have it, instruction for it. You don't have to do it, see it and do it here. Some models they are already here, which is in our library. It's like a dump which contains all the models with instruction or without instruction, and everything is here under here. Moreover, if you want to do even more than this, you can follow a WEDO community Facebook page, WEDO 2.0 community. There they are doing very good models, and they are uploading it along with the instructions, some with the 3D images, three-dimensional view, so that we can uh, do it, do more models without instructions. So upcoming videos we will see one by one activity, what are the activities about, each and every activity is about. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, wait for the upcoming videos about more about video. Thank you.